Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're hitting the trails, working in low light, or prepping your emergency kit, a reliable headlamp is an absolute must. And today, we're breaking down the top 5 best headlamps of 2025, tested for brightness, battery life, comfort, and durability. We've done the research so you don't have to. And trust me, these picks shine, literally and figuratively. And don't forget, all the headlamps we talk about in this video are linked in the description below, so if something catches your eye, check it out there. Let's dive in and light up the best options of the year. 5. Natefire HS50. The Natefire HS50 rechargeable battery headlamp is a powerful and eco-friendly lighting solution equipped with a long-lasting 18650 rechargeable battery. It features 4 versatile light modes, including an SOS function, allowing you to adapt to a wide range of lighting needs. The 180-degree rotation bracket offers flexible angle adjustments, making it ideal for tasks that require targeted illumination. With its IPX5 waterproof rating, this headlamp is built to withstand wet conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Delivering an impressive 1,000 lumens of brightness, as seen in the Nebo CSI flashlight and rechargeable headlamp review, it ensures optimal visibility in any environment. 4. Flextail Tiny Helio 600Z. The Flextail Gear Tiny Helio 600Z is the ultimate ultralight headlamp for every adventure, weighing just 59.5 grams, including the headlamp, headband, and a replaceable rechargeable 650 mAh battery. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it features a high-performance luminous SST20 LED chip for powerful brightness and clarity. Its innovative 3-zone lighting system includes focused spotlight beads, wide floodlight coverage, and red light beads to preserve night vision. With 6 versatile lighting modes, mixed, spotlight, floodlight, red light, SOS, and signal, the Tiny Helio 600Z adapts to any environment or emergency. Dual charging options offer maximum flexibility, allowing you to recharge the battery directly or while it's in the headlamp. For extended use, additional zero battery units are available for purchase. 3. Trustfire MSI. The Trustfire MC18 is a versatile and compact lighting solution powered by either 11-8650 or 2CR23A batteries, delivering up to 400 hours of runtime in moonlight mode. With 5 working modes: high, middle, low, moonlight, and strobe, it adapts to a range of scenarios, whether used as a headlamp, flashlight, EDC light, or camping light, offering brightness up to 1200 lumens. Its patented mode conversion design and pocket clip enhance usability and convenience. The durable build comes with a 3-year warranty and weighs just 40.2 grams with dimensions of 84 millimeters in length and 29.5 millimeters in diameter. The package includes a 3,000 mAh 18650 battery, magnetic rechargeable cable, MC18 headlamp, headlight belt and mount, all neatly packed in an attractive box. Osight Sky TD2708. The Osight Sky TD2708 is a powerful and versatile LED rechargeable headlamp, delivering an impressive 1,200 lumens of bright focused light. Perfect for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, hiking, or working in low-light conditions. Designed for convenience and functionality, this headlamp features a built-in motion sensor for hands-free control, allowing users to turn the light on or off with a simple wave. It's fully rechargeable, eliminating the need for disposable batteries, and offers long-lasting performance on a single charge. With a durable waterproof build, the TD2708 is engineered to withstand harsh weather, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. SART 1. Sofern H25 LRA. This high-performance headlamp features dual LED bulbs, a 5000K LH351D white LED with a 90 CRI for exceptional color rendering, and a comfortable natural white beam delivering up to 500 lumens, and SST20 deep red LED, 6 and 60 nanometers, that preserves night vision and enhances peripheral visibility. Powered by a single 18650 battery, it offers a convenient USB rechargeable design with a built-in power indicator to alert you when it's time to recharge. With a charging time of 4 to 6 hours and a durable aluminum alloy construction paired with an elastic headband, this headlamp is rated IPX6 waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and demanding environments. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best headlamps of 2025. Whether you're hiking, camping, or working in low light conditions, there's a headlamp on this list for every kind of adventure. If you're interested in any of the products we mentioned, we've made it easy. Just check out the links in the description below. They'll take you straight to the latest prices and full details. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment letting us know your favorite pick or one we might have missed. Until next time, stay safe and stay illuminated.